I want to check that today's your progress from the portal as well. They said the
Can you see my screen?
yes.
Okay.
With okay. User story. Okay. I will be looking the user story. Affiliate documentation. Yeah, I looked at it. I actually provided the feedback. Completed 2 workshops on Swagger and Postman topics. That's good. Learn a lot new things in Swagger and Postman. Okay. So for me, did you do the Postman and Swagger?
I did it like beginning of the thing.
Okay. Well, you cannot forget. So remember that.
Yeah, it's just
not be good to forget.
I think we have 3 workshops. I'm done with 2 and there's 1 more.
Yeah, the expectation from a product owner just to know the basic, the Postman, how to do the API testing. Expectation means you have your own expectation because you do not want someone who just tells you like it's like the wrong thing. So that's your own expectation for the sake of your own how to say this. The confidence means before you hand over something to someone, make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, so okay, thank you. This
Shublu, I just got a quick thing. I created the affiliate marketing and accounting, but I asked you for the improvement.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay.
Okay.
So can you go back to the sprint board?
Sure. Oh, I did not update my sprint board.
So Anna, can you guys please update everything?
So until I didn't do, I mean, I'm still working on it. So
It will be a carryover user story then.
yeah.
Okay.
For me, that's I don't know why she did.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Like last week we did not have the class and I did not see a new sprint here for that.
That's fine.
And I did complete 2 workshops. So I looked in here, I could have put that I did work on something, but there was nothing. I mean, was it supposed to be like this, or I missed something?
Sure, got it. Okay, no, that's a good question. So technically, we could have still opened the sprint regardless of workshop because it's still everyone is behind at some point. So for me, still you could have like the open the sprint. With that said, Farhana, you can actually open the user story on this board, and then actually you add the task. Then you should be good to go. And when you create the user story, make sure you mention what date workshop you are focusing, and then you are good to go.
Okay.
Yep. All right. So, okay, Fahmida, let's go see the Fahmid, Shwantel. So, Farhana.
Yes.
So, at this moment, you have been doing pretty good. So you need to set up a show and tell on a specific topic. So
I would like to.
Go ahead.
I would like to finish up my 3rd workshop, which is also about Postman. So I know a lot of stuff from Postman. I want to complete that as well.
Sure.
And then I would be ready.
Okay, but you can do the show and tell for the features and user stories. That's like very important. That's like you hit the floor right away. You get into the requirement documents, or you will see that the Jira or some other like the project management, the platform is ready. You will see the features, user story. So those are like the base of your day-to-day work. So I will highly recommend your work like a feature. We have lots of features. So I want to see you write the user story based on the features. I think that is the most important one for everyone, not only for you.
Okay.
All right. So can you scroll down a little bit?
Sure.
So I have another question is, so Fahmid, since he is not available in the evening, how come none of you can like run the sync up call? So Fozia, what happened with you? It's just simple, like you just start. You just get into the call and then you just go one by one. Since we also stay on the call and I should be able to help. But why you stay quiet?
Because I have to go outside with my kids.
Okay. So you cannot run any like the okay. But okay, understood. What about Farhana? But that's not every day. Is it every day?
No, it's Monday and Wednesday, and I think sync up call is on Monday and Wednesday. And Monday for sure I cannot, do it because my husband goes to work just one day in whole week, and he comes late, so I'm the one I'm supposed to take them. But
Right.
Wednesday he works from home, he can take
Okay. So why
if
not
I
you,
talk to him.
if you do not do, then you will not learn. And then that's the big piece of your like the journey or your in terms of your money and time, your huge time and money investment, you will not see your like the competency will not be grown, and your confidence will not be like us, will not be appeared to anyone, because that's the main thing. Like the take the lead and the run the show and tell, and the reaching out to the people one on one. But at least run the show and tell or the sync up call. Okay. So I see this is something important. All right. So one more thing. Can you go back to our Agile the chat, please? So in this chat, I know this. The Farhana, you chat on you add in your day-to-day activities, and then you can actually copy and paste it, correct?
Yes, that's what I have been doing. Just yesterday I did not, because the
Okay. That's
same
fine.
video that I watched a day before, I watched again. So
I got my answer. Don't worry. Fahmid, what is your day-to-day activity? So you are just anything else like can you go back to the portal and go to my progress? Go to my program, please. Okay.
My progress.
Yes. So you did only one show and tell.
I did few, but 2 are accepted only.
So you need to tell. If it is not accepted, you need to tell, right?
Yes.
So you did only accepted the technical 929 technical question you did only?
Yeah, I answered a lot of them. I don't know. It's like 200 something I answered, but it's not accepted or checked in or something. I don't know.
So if it is not checked, then you need to reach out to the someone, right?
Yes.
You need to tell, like you need to tell Ashik or someone like the way it should be, right? That the
Yes.
So that's not done.
I already spoke to Ashik, and he said he will reply me back by 1st of December. I already told him, but I don't know if he forgot, but I told him again that
Follow up.
check I want.
So the approach is if you spoke with him or the chat with him one-on-one, it did not work. The next one will be in the group. In the group chat, you mention again the Ashik, hey, this is a follow-up. Can you please review my the technical question? And you just mention me as well for the visibility. Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, if it does not work, it has to work. So you need to do the follow-up. That's part of the job. Okay, scroll down, please. Okay, do not worry about the mock interview. Scroll down. So you have only 30 day-to-day activities. Your message is good. You do not have any uploaded documents. You did not add your family member, okay? You got one compliment, that's good.